Quick, graph y equals the cube root of the quantity 1/2 times x by hand 2 different ways. It is highly recommended that you watch the video How to Graph y equals f of the quantity k times x before watching this video. You will need graph paper or download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed any time during this video. The first way is with what we call the Cuberoot Dance. Normally we start at the origin, and with the coefficient of x being 1/2, inside the radical, this does not affect the point, because when x is 0, y is also equal to 0, and points are going to be plotted relative to the origin. Recall that the coefficient, k equals 1/2, is inversely proportional to the horizontal dilation factor. That is, we're going to multiply each x value by the reciprocal of 1/2, which is the number 2. Normally the Cuberoot Dance is right 1 up 1, but for ours it's going to be right 2 up 1. 2 times the x coordinate 1 is 2. The y coordinate remains unaffected. So plot 2, 1. Next in the dance, right 8 up 2. But for us, it'll be right 16 up 2, because 2 times 8 is 16. That is going to be off the grid here. All right, so see if you can get 2 to the left of the origin here. Press pause as needed and resume when you're ready. So left 1, down 1 is the normal Cuberoot Dance. We're going to go left 2, down 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Plot 2, -2, 1, -1. Left 8 down 2 is going to be left 16 down 2. And it looks like we have a little bit of room to put that here on this, even though it's off my grid. So connecting the points, we're getting this Cuberoot looking graph. And we'll compare it to the parent function. And you can see that from blue to green, the green is a horizontal stretch of the parent function. Second way, using a table. This is our normal Cuberoot table. And since k equals 1/2 inside the radical, the horizontal dilation factor is the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2. We keep the y coordinates the same, and we multiply each x coordinate by the reciprocal of k, which in this case is 2. So 8 times 2 is 16. We'll plot 16, 2. 1 times 2 is 2, 2, 1. The origin is not changed at all by that factor of 2. Go ahead and finish the last 2 points. Press pause and resume when you're ready. So we're going to get -2, -1, and -16, -2, which turns up over here a little bit off my grid. Connect the points, and then comparing it to the parent function, from blue to green, it is a horizontal stretch. Now you try one. Graph y equals the cube root of the quantity 1/3 x. Use either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this and resume when you're finished to check your answer. And here is your answer. Green one is a horizontal stretch of the blue parent function.